Oh, now that's spicy.
Captain Circle members worldwide that joined us on some 17 ships with us across the fleet. And we really have come a long, long way since we first began back in 1965. When we set sail, we were just one vessel. Does anybody know what that was called? It wasn't the Love Boat, we ain't got there yet just yet. No, it was the Princess Patricia. That was our very first ship, which is where the name the Princess Pata comes from. And from there we've grown to be one of the largest and most successful cruise lines in the entire world. And that truly is thankful to the people that join us time and time again, our loyal guests. And for that, we truly thank you. In the 1980s, along with the Captain Circle program, we also began to expand the fleet with the arrival of the Sun, Sea and the Dawn Princess, some of our smaller ships. Anyone sailed amongst them? Yeah, one or two of you.
Well, thank you very much indeed, ladies and gentlemen. A very good afternoon. And on behalf of Princess Cruises, the entire ship's company, a very warm welcome back. I hope that your journey to join the ship wasn't too eventful. Apologies for the delay yesterday. I hope that's all forgotten about now and you've been able to relax and enjoy. Are you having a good time so far? Yeah. Well, that's great to hear. Our pleasure to have you on board. You're all Gold and Ruby members at this event. You've all cruised with us before, so thank you for your loyalty. Thank you for coming back to us. We've got a wonderful crew on board the Majestic Princess, very friendly, very efficient, very hard-working. We're going to try our very best to look after you, make sure you have a wonderful time, and our ultimate goal at Princess is to hope that you come back new, and we hope that we succeed with that. But we're going to get to the real exciting part this afternoon. We're going to be making a draw of those invitations you handed in as you came in through the doors there. We'll make a draw out of those. First one for elite status and all those wonderful benefits that entails. You'll receive that for the entire cruise, and then after that we'll make a draw for a couple of free bottles of bubbly. Once again, a great pleasure to see you all again and enjoy your time with us. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Captain benefits, which include a free minibar in your staterooms, free shoe shine, priority ship to shore tendering, canapes on formal night. Yes sir, come on down. The price is right. Thank you so much. Yes indeed, and of course the one that, and the only reason that anybody's here, free laundry. I know, it's exciting times. You guys can wash your underwear a couple of times before the end of the cruise, is it? So Captain, if you'd be so kind as to delve into our bucket of destiny and pull us out a winner for elite benefits for the rest of the voyage.
Here we go, good luck with this. Here we go. So good luck. Whoever wins this, I've got a bag full of laundry upstairs for you. Anyone on Emerald deck here? Hopefully there's a few of you. A few hands going up. Here we go. Emerald 708. Congratulations. Give us a wave.
Right, no, stay where you are. You're elite benefit now. We come to you now, so you stay where you are. Jing will come and see you very shortly and make sure that all of those benefits are arranged. All right, Captain, you'd be so kind to pull out a winner for some lovely bottles of shampoo. Champagne.
Here we go. Good luck. Aloha deck. Ooh. Aloha 708. Congratulations.
Whereabouts are they?
Hopefully I said those names correctly.
All the way at the top there. There we go. Congratulations. We got Amanda on her way up now. And Captain, one more time if you'd be so kind.
Last one. Good luck. Anybody else on Aloha deck? At this point, I normally say it's not Aloha Deck, but it actually is. Aloha 217.
There we go, right in the middle there at the top. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kathy. Well, ladies and gentlemen, don't worry if you didn't win a bottle of champagne there, because when you leave from any of our entrances and exits, you will receive a voucher to get yourself a free drink at any one of our bars. That's one free drink, not one bottle of vodka or and the captain is also offered to buy the drinks for us tomorrow night at our Champagne Waterfall on our first gala formal night together. It starts at 7 o'clock at the heart of this beautiful ship, where the drinks will be on the captain. Thank you very much for that, Captain. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is our opportunity to thank you very much for joining us here at Princess Cruises. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful night. We'll be back here with Dan Cousins and this incredible band at 7:45 and 9:45. But until then, welcome aboard, welcome back to Princess. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining us.